Looking for the best portable solar panels in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best portable solar panels available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The MHPOWOS Portable Solar Panel, 120W divided by 80W divided by 40W, is a reliable and efficient solution for outdoor power needs. With up to 23.5% conversion efficiency, it delivers fast and stable charging for devices during camping, RV trips, or emergencies. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Built with durable materials, it performs well in various conditions, making it a practical choice for off-grid power users. Number 4. The Mobile Phone Solar Panel Portable Folding Bag 120W is a practical and versatile outdoor charging solution. Featuring USB and DC outputs, it can efficiently power phones, tablets, and small devices directly from sunlight. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, while high-efficiency solar cells ensure reliable energy conversion. Ideal for camping, travel, or emergencies, it offers convenient, eco-friendly power wherever you go. Number 3. The Hot Cell Bifacial Solar Panel, 100W divided by 200W divided by 400W, is a powerful and versatile portable charger designed for outdoor and emergency use. Its bifacial design captures sunlight from both sides, boosting energy output compared to standard panels. With a foldable, lightweight build and durable weather-resistant materials, it's easy to carry and reliable in various conditions. Ideal for camping, RVs, boats, and backup power needs. Number 2. The 2000W ETFE Flexible Monocrystalline Solar Panel is marketed as a high-power solution for home and outdoor use, but users should view the 2000W rating with caution, as most flexible panels typically deliver much lower real-world output. Built with durable ETFE coating and monocrystalline cells, it offers good efficiency, flexibility, and weather resistance. Ideal for camping, boats, and 12V battery charging, it's lightweight and easy to install, making it practical for portable off-grid setups. Number 1. The MPOWOS 400W Portable Solar Panel is a powerful and efficient solution for off-grid energy needs. Featuring advanced monocrystalline cells, it delivers up to 23.5% conversion efficiency for faster and more reliable charging. Its foldable design with adjustable kickstands makes setup quick and transport easy. Built with durable ETFE materials and an IP67 waterproof rating, it performs well in harsh outdoor conditions. It supports MC4 and multiple connectors, ensuring wide compatibility with most power stations. Under real conditions, output may vary depending on sunlight and angle, but it remains a dependable choice for camping, RV travel, and emergency backup power.